Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Kaale Crown. I did a sleeky ponytail on my natural hair. Look how sleek that is. So stay tuned to see how I achieved this ponytail without any heat. Okay, not even got to be freeze spray. Keep watching. First, we start off on freshly washed hair. I started parting my hair in half. And I sectioned off the top part of my hair, and I'm going to detangle the back of my hair. Now, detangling is very essential in any hairstyle, but you want your ponytail to be nice and smooth. I moved to the front section of my hair, and I'm going to detangle again. And even at the front of your hair, you're gonna section it in two. Oh gosh, look at those ends. I think I need a trim. Anyways, so I'm gonna section off my hair in two. We're going to apply a little bit of gel. Like, you don't want product buildup, so add a little bit of gel. You smooth it down with your brush. So here's a little hack. So after you put the rest of your hair in the ponytail at the back, you get your fine tooth comb and you smooth out the rest of your hair. It makes it extra sleeky. So next I'm going to moisturize my hair with my water and leave-in conditioner mix. And then I'm going to apply some castor oil to seal in all the moisture. Okay, now you get your extensions. Okay, let's see if I can explain this properly. So as you can see, I placed the majority of the hair to the front and just a little bit at the back. This is to create length for your ponytail. You attach it to your ponytail at the back and I look crazy. Okay, you flip it over and we're not gonna go outside like this, so you cannot leave your ponytail like that. Before we start braiding, you're gonna place a piece of hair aside, and I'll show you why after. So here I'm beginning to braid my hair with the extensions. You literally just start braiding, but be mindful, like take your time because this hair was so tangly. It was so annoying to braid. It was so annoying. Braid all the way down to the bottom, and at the end I added a little elastic blend. I added an elastic band. Here you can see how flat the ponytail is. I love that. So here now you get your extra piece you put aside earlier and you wrap it around the base of the ponytail all the way to the end. Just a little side note, I did this whole braid all over again because it was too messy for my liking. I know you guys were watching my hair saying it's not even sleeky, it's messy. So right here, I'm just taking extra care, going through with my comb again, making sure everything is neat, you know, getting my baby hairs out, you know. Who else loves baby hairs? It's a must. Next, I'm going to take my mousse. I'm going to apply it to the braid to avoid any frizziness. And boom, look at that. I love it. I love this hairstyle so much. It's literally my go-to. All right, it's bedtime. I'm gonna tie down my hair to keep my hair nice and neat for tomorrow. Boom, here's the final look. I am in love with my hair. Look how sleek it is without any heat, not even got to be freeze spray. This is such an easy go-to natural hairstyle and that anyone can literally do. The only thing I used heat for was my little sideburns at the side. I thought that was cute. But yeah, friends, follow me on Instagram at kaale.crown. You see me taking pictures there at the side. Follow yet? Anyways guys, thanks so much for watching this tutorial. Comment, share, like it. And stay tuned for more. Thanks. Bye.